In this lecture, we focus complete detailed information about this CRONTAB along with lab. CRONTABs are scheduled tasks that can be set to run automatically at the specific time, either intervals. So you create a task, you create a task, and this task will execute at a particular time. So when you particular time it will be run. So that can be worked by this CRONTAB. CRONTAB is used to running a specific tasks on a regular interval. Suppose every day you want to 7 a.m. you want to run 7 a.m. particular file. Directly when the time is reached, automatically this CRONTAB will evaluate. It runs your task. Right. Each user can schedule jobs using CRONTAB. It is not restricted for any sudo user. All users may create. All users can create this CRONTAB. So what is the syntax? These are 5 stars. And every Linux user and every DevOps engineer knows about this CRONTAB. Why? Because we used in shell script. And when you are doing Jenkins pipelines, and when you are doing Kubernetes cron job is there. Cron, not a CRONTAB, it is a cron job. So in a Kubernetes point of view also you should use this CRONTAB. Definitely there's a basic syntax, basic definition is not changed. The first star is indicating for minutes. It is for minutes. And second one is for hours. And third one days. And fourth one months. And fifth one is like a weekdays. So here first one, so how many minutes? Generally 60 minutes. Generally 60 minutes are there. So if you in the star place you can use 0 to 59. And what are how many hours? 24 hours actually. You should use 0 to 23. 0 is also considered. Number of days in a month, generally you should go with 1 to 31 based on your way. And how many months? 12 months. Like you should go with 1 to 12. And weekdays like a Sunday, Monday, 0 to 6, 7 days per week. 7 days are there. 0 is Sunday and 1 is Monday. This way it will be calculated. 6 is nothing but Saturday. So definitely you should remember this simple syntax, and these values are most important for repeating your tasks based on this instruction only. And how can you create this CRONTAB? So there is CRONTAB -e. So it is when you enter this one, automatically it can open one nano editor, either VI editor. It can open nano editor, either VI editor. Based on that, you open that editor and you can write your CRONTAB job. So that is based on your requirement. And one more, if you want to know about a list of CRONTABs, CRONTAB -L, it can be list the cron jobs, or till now any existing job is there or not. Then remove any cron job, then just you -R, it remove the jobs. So my question, suppose you want to run like a every minute you want to execute your task. Every minute, like all stars, it is every minute your task. Every minute. Like suppose I want to execute this one. Suppose echo hello, and how are you, like hello something text is there. So this means every minute it executes. But the report, where you want to save that report, where you want to save, it executes the task, right? So based on output where you want to store. For that you can use this one, the symbol, and create a file name. Then automatically it creates the one file. For clear understand, so I will go with suppose every 10th minute I want to execute, take 10th minute. For that, very simple. So 0 to 9, 0 minute and 60 totally. For that I want to go like 10th minute, suppose 10th minute, and all stars, 5 stars, and you want to execute some command. Either you want to can be .shp file is .sh file is there. Complete path you provide. the path, and it will be execute your what you place this shell script, that will be execute 10th minute. But you want to report, for that, for this I am using this symbol, like it will be redirecting your output, and append the particular file. Like suppose I am using file.txt. When this job is every 10 minutes the file is executed, then the output will be stored here. And either you want to save every time new way, that is a file.txt. What the different here? Append the text at the end of the file, and it will be override the text. So that is a difference. Suppose I want to execute every month it runs at the 10th date. So for that, and 10th date 7 a.m. only it will be work, 7 a.m. The first one is minute, right, 01, suppose 1 minute 01, and hour, second one is hours, and third star is indicating for days. You want to provide 10th date, right now 10th date every month and every weekday. So what it does, every 10th date 7 hours 1 minute it will be works, right. Yearly once you want to works, that is very simple, star. So 1 star, so month and date, and this is a month. Every month the first day it works at 00 am, 12 am it works, the file will be executed. The same thing I am going to execute. So here, so open putty. So right now I want to create ls, one directory I created here, list items. I want to create one cat file, that is a cat report.sh. You observe report.sh. There is a one shell script I created here, very simple commands. One is show date, calendar, and memory. This three commands I want to execute it every time, right. So for that I want to create cron job, right. CRONTAB -e. So it opens with nano editor, but you are friendly with nano editor, you can write your commands, but I am not comfort with this. Suppose I am not comfort with this and I want to open the vi editor, then how should I do? So there is one very simple export, one way, export visual equal to vi vim and crontab -e. Then again it works, it not works, same editor. Then again I want to export editor vm, export editor equal vim. So right, so again I want to execute crontab. Here what happened, this command, we'll check this one. So this crontab will be open at a vm editor, right now it opens at vm editor. Now I want to, suppose I want to delete all the things, 15d, so 5dd, so 2dd, dd. So this all files, this is a cron tab. So here I want to create every minute, right, insert, every minute I want to execute, right, star five stars, right. So I want to run one particular thing, right, echo, suppose echo welcome to CRONTAB, and where you want to store, I want to create a one file, cron new .txt you want to create. So that is our file wq. Here you observe CRONTAB installing, actually CRONTAB installing. So here you observe ls file. I think I am not providing any file location. Clear. So present working directory I want to copy. vi cron job CRONTAB -e. So for this I am going to use here path of complete path. Complete path I provide here. So it need to generate one file, cron file. The path is mandatory. The properly we should enter the path of that newly created file. Every minute we can check. Yes, newly created one file. This is a file. The file is created right now till now. I want to do something here. Clear. Present working directory. I want to copy this. Clear. Clear. List items. Okay. CRONTAB -e. Here I want to run some script. /report.sh. This is a file, and you need to, what is the output is generated, that file will be saved on this cron new. Either I want to, here I want to save with cron report.txt, and I need to save this. So this is a file. Clear. List item ls. We need to cron report.sh txt file we required, and you observe here list items again. No. Yes, it created cron new text, right? Over is a cron report cat cron report.txt. Here you observe current time and date and memory. Clearly it shows. So it generate and the file output will be stored in one particular file, right? Again after 1 minute you check this, and the time is the May 21 and the time is this one 14:11. And now we check like after 1 minute this time will be updated. Clear. So ls. So I want to check ls-li. Where is a CRONTAB report? This is a CRONTAB report. Cat (12:1). So 12:1. You observe 12:1. We are waiting for new update. 12:1, 1, 2, 3. Some moment we need to wait. It needs to, it updates. We need to, it updates, right? In the previous actually 14:11 is there right now, and we need to update this. And 12:1 only there. 12:1. 13:1. Yes, it updates every minute. The file will be updates. Suppose I want to edit that CRONTAB -e. I want to like I don't want overwrite. I want to append the text. and I want to save WQ 1 2. Some moment we need to wait till 1943 is there, and 44 we check cron report cron report.txt. Yes, the file is updates 13.1 and now 14.1. Every minute it executes. So clear. Suppose same file we are going to open like a tail -f cron report. So you observe the last 10 lines only it shows. Suppose I want to open like a clear. -n 20 lines. The time is there 14:15, and it needs to monitor every moment it monitors, and automatically it generates. In the real time they monitor the output this way only. The tile command, it monitors the file. Frequently it checks the file, any updates, the end of the file, the file will be changed. These are right now you observe last 20 lines only it can be print right now. You observe 14. So end of the lines the prints updates. We are not opening, and again you observe one more minute and you clarify that the tile command usage, the parallelly. The cron tab is generating a report every minute, and tile command is follows that file forcefully, and it will be prints when file is updates and it prints. Yeah, right now 14:06. Yes, it opens. Right. In this way we can get Control C is exit and clear. I think everyone cleared this cron job, and even we can write multiple cron jobs at a time. Cron tab -e, couple of n number of jobs you may insert. Right. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.